Hey guys, welcome back. How are you doing? Today I've got another fidget video. So about how messy this place is. I'll be putting all my stuff on here once I've told you what it is. Okay, I'm get out. Not usual fidgets. Look at that. Hold on, yeah. I don't know if this should be a fidget, but because it's made out of balloon, but I've got another one upstairs, but I don't usually use it. So yeah. I think I might get them into actual piles so I know what they are. Fidgets. I mean puppet. That they are. Puppet tail's gonna go here. You can't see it because I put it out of the camera. Because I mean, like there. Here's another puppet. Puppet. You might be able to see how much puppets I've got in a minute. Just going somewhere. Like next year, and I'll probably get a lot more fidgets. I don't know what these are, but I'll show you them. You can roll them around in your hand, and I feel so good. If you know them, could you please tell me? There's her. Oh, here's another puppet thing. I might just adjust you a bit. Perfect. Now you can basically see on it. So you guys, well, I might put these like here, right out of the camera. What next? Maybe like slinkers. These are all my fidgets for slinkers, not all of them. I've got one more. Look, so yeah, I don't think I've connected my YouTube account to my TikTok account, but I'll have a look after this video. I don't know what to do next. Monkey noodles! Monkey noodles! Basically, these are good to take out and stuff. They're basically good to take out because if you're stressed and you have them in your pocket, you can just wriggle them around. You can make them into little balls, you can tie them to each other. And once you've done that, it's really easy to get them out. I'm not going to do it because I can't be bothered to. So yeah, I'm going to just lay it out there. Next, I've got one in my hand. Whee! 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 Right now, one cracked screen. Yes, it's cracked. Next, I think miches. Look. They're so cute. They can get really dirty, so maybe I don't think you can wash them. I've never tried, but I'm not gonna try. You could rub the stuff off of them. So yeah, put you there, and you there. They're over here, y'all. You can't see them. Just move them in a bit closer. Now you can. Next I'm gonna do squishes because they keep rolling away. Look, an and then so guys, I have to go somewhere. Okay. Getting hot in here. So these squishes I was talking about, you can half eat and donut all. All that stuff. I might put these over here in the pockets. Next is this one. It's always been in my way, but it's really cute. It's got a smiley face and then a happy face. No, it's got a smiley face and a sad face. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. It's like a little octopus. It's like a little octopus, but it's got faces on it. You can go there, right next to Slinkies. Ooh, getting down. Next are the pop tubes. You just there we go, that's the small woodfall. Now I'm going to do the big one. Ready, I can reach the camera. Say hi! Anyway, I don't think the small one can, no. Then guys, what I like to do, I'm going to have to stand up. Then guys, look! It came out. Anyway, I'm going to put them back together. Listen to the sound. Well, that's satisfying. I'm going to put these here, right in front of the camera. Ready? Bye! I'm the end of the video, don't worry. How long is the video so far? 6 minutes. Ready? Next, I've got loads of these. I'll just cover it up too much space. And a map of my shit. And a map of my shit. I'm going to count how much I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I've got 7. Anyway, so how they work is you can go like that, or you can just squeeze them up and down. I'd say you can take them out, but just be careful you don't lose them. There's also 2 I've got. They've got clips, so you can hang them onto your coat or something. I don't know. I'm going to put them maybe notice, like there, maybe a octopus. Move all these over here. I don't want to throw them up in the air. This one, I don't know what it's called. Bro! You can basically go up and down, up and down, up and down. On this side, it's got a really cool pattern. And on this side, it really kind of doesn't. But when you open it up, all that bit, I like that, all the bits. So that's the thing what I like about this. And when you throw it, it goes like, so you throw it closed, it opens like that, and then you catch it. Hopefully you should catch it, but it is kind of sharp on some edges. So, watch out. I don't know what to pick now. I'm picking multiple ones now. So, just put it back. I can't put it. So these can come undone and done. So this is done and this is undone. Anyway, like massage your fingers or something, I don't exactly know. But if you're taking them out in public, definitely don't go like that. As you just like went close to the camera. Or like that. Oh god. I'm okay. Sorry guys, I fell. Oh guys, I've missed the marble marsh. Let's count how much I've got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait, what? How many more? Got all the camera from. I'm not really out on the camera. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, we've got 7. Put you back there. I'm going to only had 6 last time. The video is 10 minutes long, by the way, so you don't have to keep checking. This is a wacky track. I don't really know what it's used for, but you can make really cool stuff like that. It's not really that good, but I'll say it passed. This is where you squeeze like that and then squeeze the other side. So like that and like that. I don't know what it's called, but I'm gonna put it there. All down to the last 5. I kissed the floor and I liked it. Anyway, this is like a slingshot. I really don't know what it is. I'll just throw it. Oh, it won't be on the camera. Hold on. Got it. Anyway, so Kathy don't hit anyone with it. So watch out, kids, who've got it. Anyway, this pea poppers. I love them, but the purple one isn't really realistic. I get it, people want it to have fake stuff and stuff, but sometimes it just isn't good. Like the donut, that's realistic. The green pea popper is realistic. This pea popper, it isn't realistic. So I'm gonna put them down there, the chicken. Down to the. Hold on. As I say, down to the last 2. Oh, that hurt my eye. Anyway, I'm gonna just. I can't do it. I tried doing the Rubik's Cube, but I can't. It's really hard. It's really hard, so just be careful. This is the one not bright. It's called a tangle. One of my cousins, not going to get right into it, she let me have it because she's got so much fidgets. Alright, so anyway, so I'm gonna put these. I'm gonna do a little check. So I'm gonna say a name and then I need to go get it. Puppets. Do I have to pop them all? Pop. Done. Done. Just say it's all done. I'm not gonna actually pop them all. I'm just gonna say check. With puppets. Puppets, check. Squishes, check. Pop tubes, check. Little things with little hairy things on, check. Slinkies, check. Thing what's so happy outside, check. This, check. Chicken, check. Pea poppers, check. Rings, check. Rubik's Cube, check. I'm just not going to do it all, y'all. Guess what time it is? There we go. Oh, yet. That should be out my head. I'm going to put the box here. Because we're going to pack all this away. You can just watch me drop them. You just put all these in. Ready, y'all. Just put you there, the camera's right next to you. Ready. What paper go do that? Now, I'm going to get a drink. Guess who's here? Me. I've got something else. I'm going to be just playing with this in my hand. I'm not going to be able to post. I might be able to post, but I might not only internet because getting internet. I don't know. I don't know really what we'll be doing, but got an itch on my nose. I'll see if I can connect my YouTube link to my TikTok account. If you see this and you've got TikTok and you want to go follow me, it's capital L, lowercase a, underscore, stitch, no capital, 7. So, yay! That's what it is. I'm going to see if I can connect it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a good rest of the day or night. I don't know. But bye!